guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a step-by-step of how I achieved this honey blonde bob cut wig. So stay tuned. Okay, so this bob look was inspired by Cavasier, I think that's how you pronounce it. But he posted a video of him creating this look, and y'all, I fell in love. So I just had to recreate it. So I'm creating the part for the side bob, and this hair is from the Dreams collection. It's an upcoming hair company, and this is their 14th BODYWAVE inch. So after creating the side part, I'm gonna go in and start sectioning off the hair for the pieces I'm going to dye in the front. Okay, so as I'm sectioning off the hair, I just decided to create triangle parts. I don't know why, I just felt like it was the right thing to do, but this is the hair section off and we're about to bleach. Okay, so I'm using BLEACH and a 30 developer, and I'm gonna just pour everything in a bowl and mix it all together. Okay, so now I'm just going in and putting the bleach on the hair. I started at the top and ended at the bottom. I don't know, that's just how I always bleach hair. Also, yeah, I fingered the beginning. Whoa, fingered. I'm tripping, so I definitely didn't mean to say that, but I basically use my finger to basically glide the front so we can give it that fade look. And then once I'm done, you know, putting that on, I'll put the aluminum foil on, and there we go, boo. Also, you guys, make sure you put enough bleach on the hair. Each time that I checked the hair, some spots were lighter, some spots was darker than the other ones, so I had to put more bleach on it, on the spots that were darker, to basically speed up the process. So that was a little inconvenience, but I finished the bleaching process, and this is how it looks, and we're about to wash it out. So I'm making sure I wash off all the bleach in front of the hair, and yeah, I actually had to go get my ring light. It was dark in there. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go in with Shimmer Lights, the shampoo, put that on so I can go ahead and stop the bleach process. And yeah, girl, we get into it. It's gonna get cute. It's gonna be cute, y'all. Next, I'm gonna go in with my TRESemmé hair conditioner. I went ahead and just started rubbing it in the hair. Make sure it's on, you know, everywhere it needs to be. And I actually let it sit on here for like 30-40 minutes, so it can give it that soft, nice texture once I rinse it out. Okay, so now it's the next day, and y'all look at the blonde. It looks so good. I bleached it really good. So now I'm just parking the hair back to how I had it, and I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying it out so it'll be easier for me to cut and do what I need to do to get that bob look. Also, y'all, the shedding with this hair did really good. I had a few strands when I was washing it, and there wasn't a lot falling out when I was blow drying it. So the shedding was perfect. Like, this hair is doing what I need to do, still giving it that fullness that I need. So, you know, I like it. Good hair, good hair. I'll make sure to add, you know, their Instagram name and information in the description box below. Okay, so I just finished blow drying it, and now I'm just reparking it back how it was. And then we're about to proceed with the cutting process. Okay, so right now, y'all, I'm just basically seeing how I'm gonna start the cutoff. I actually cut it longer than the actual length it is now. I just wanted to make sure that I didn't cut too much off in the beginning before I actually start going higher. So yeah, now I'm just going around in the circle. And also, I didn't know where my hair scissors was, and I didn't have clippers, so I just used just some regular scissors. It still did the job, what I needed to do. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair, how it looks after I cut the ends. And I actually went inside the bathroom off camera to like measure it on my shoulder length. I cut one side piece, as y'all see, and I just followed even all the way around. Okay, so as we move towards the back, I went ahead and tilted the mannequin head forward so I could start creating that diagonal look. And this is how it looks right now, but you guys, this actually took a little minute. I took my time, make sure I cut every angle right, everything was even, and I was shocked. Like, I was really surprised that I did this, and I was proud. Okay, so once I finished cutting the hair into the bob look, I sectioned the hair off so I could begin flat ironing. Once I started working towards the front, I wanted to use my hot combs to get the roots good so the hair could lay flat. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the hair off camera, and I put it on and I looked at it like, this isn't the look that he has. So I actually went a little higher on the other side, and I'm about to start working my way back around and giving it that diagonal look. So I believe the best way to achieve this look, or just cutting a bob period, I guess, is actually just tilting the head forward. You actually see what cuts you're missing, what you didn't get, and how to make it even all around. So it actually helped me. I kind of liked it. It was kind of, you know, made it easier for me to achieve the look that I'm going for. So the best advice I can give on cutting this kind of look is patience. Take your time. You know, don't rush to do this look, because it's all about having that good structure into cutting this bob. So I'm done finally. I'm just flat ironing the front so it can get the hair off the face. And this is the final look, you guys. You know, this was easy. If I could do it, you can do it. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I hope I explained it good enough for y'all to follow the same steps as me. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely reply. Love you all. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.